unboxing the LG Stylo 2 Plus from Metro, and the box is already open because I'm holding the camera with one hand. So let's go ahead and go in. First thing you see is the Stylo LG Plus 2. Put that to the side, see what's inside. So first we have our the LG adapter. That's how it looks. Let it focus. Okay. Then we have our charger. I have some bumps right here on the back. It doesn't. So you can tell which is the front, which is the back. When you're gonna plug it in, if you don't break it, they put it right here, so you can just plug it in. Then we have our battery for the Stylo. Then we just have our LG Stylo 2 Plus manual. This paper. So let's go ahead and see the phone. So we got the speaker here, all smooth LG fingerprint. The Stylo is right there. Then this is the phone. Then just put the battery in, then turn on the power, set it up, put your fingerprint, and it's all ready. So like and subscribe, and peace.